Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am taking you along vlog style to the hair salon with me so that you guys can see exactly what I ask for at the salon for my fine thin hair. This is everything from cutting to coloring, treating, all the products that we use, how we style it, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna dive straight into the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this and find it helpful, and let's dive straight in. Okay, so I'm almost to the salon, and basically this is what I'm gonna ask for, and I will of course record when I'm there if I can. But my dead ends are definitely very apparent, so I need a nice healthy trim. I always used to be scared to trim my hair with how slow my hair grows because it's so fine and thin. It's so fragile, it breaks really easily, but I really found that the trimming actually does help it grow a little faster because it avoids the breakage. So I always get trims now, and I've noticed that it started to grow faster with trims, so it actually was the reverse effect of what I thought. So I definitely needed a trim, and right now my color, I like it, but it's a little bit cool toned for me, which I asked for last time. I asked her to do that. I was like, I don't want any warmth or any like brassiness. I always ask for like balayage, like baby lights, but not like a ton of highlights because my hair really can't handle it. I just want something to kind of break up like the I don't know, base color. It's just a little bit too dark. So I love keeping like my root color. I want like the darkness there because my eyebrows are really dark, but I definitely want it to be a little more golden this time. So I'll probably have her tone my hair and maybe just add a few baby lights towards the top to kind of brighten up my roots just a little bit with like the contrast of the darker colors. Those I definitely want to be a little bit more golden, so that's kind of my plan going in. I'm not gonna trim my bangs again because I'm growing them out because they're a freaking disaster. Actually, they're kind of cute, but you know, I think long term they just they ain't really working out. That's a no-go. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the salon. Okay, I just got to the salon. I'm gonna ask her what I want and show pictures and stuff. I'll put the pictures here on the screen. I need to cut off a lot. I think the end is plenty light. Wait, let me just show you what I want. They're golden, but gold pieces. Yeah, kind of like my root color, right? And she's darker.
That has a little bit of color in there, it looks like, but we could.
I don't want to change. I like my root color. I want to keep it natural, and I don't really.
You just want like a lot more brighter pieces, honestly.
Yeah, but I don't know if I necessarily want to add a lot of highlight to the bottom because I feel like it's fine. I think I just want the tone to be different. I mean, I don't know. What do you think?
The tone is super easy, obviously.
Yeah, that's just
to have.
Do you think we should just bring some baby lights up a little bit?
I just feel like the baby lights aren't going to be as noticeable.
Okay.
Like, so that has like a really harsh root. That, I can't really see the root. The other one just like,
there's like, for the wedding.
Okay, so maybe just like baby lights maybe on top and then bolder pieces underneath.
I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I'm really bad at communicating this.
If I go back and keep like all this the color that it is, take the blonde out of this, and then maybe not use bleach and use like a highlight. That way we're not even, and then we don't even really have to, you know? Just
okay.
doing it all.
You just like lift as long and a little bit warmer. Okay, but I don't want it brassy. I feel like
so that's where I'm always worried doing a high lift because brassy comes from like bringing out warmth.
I use bleach. I'm totally okay with that. I just want to achieve the tone that I like. I think you know what to do.
And yeah, I don't think I'm all baby lights on top and then before she goes.
Yeah. I guess I just kind of like this, but just brighten it a little bit and golden it. Baby lights.
I'm in.
Okay, and then yeah, we need to. Well, we'll cut after, but okay, good. All right, update. We're doing highlights, so she's back combing some of the hair so that we don't highlight too much hair, because you guys know I don't want to put a lot of bleach or damage on my hair, so we do as little as possible, but I'm just trying to brighten it up a little bit. And she said she's using a 10 volume and not gonna lift it for very long, so I want it to be a little bit golden. So we're literally kind of like putting it on and then taking it right off, and then hopefully we'll do like a treatment or something to kind of nourish the hair, because it's gonna need a lot of repair and stuff after highlight, but I'm again not putting too much, and it's just gonna be a little bit to just brighten it up a little bit. I told her I wanted all the volume, all the things. Okay, so we put this in first. It's the Run Through Detangling Primer. So it's like a detangler and a heat protectant. And then putting in a little bit of mousse now. And then we're gonna blow dry, curl, and do all of that.
The Feather Bomb. This is a weightless thermal protectant as well, so it won't weigh down your hair.
Yay, okay. So this is also thermal protectant. Okay, wait. Weightless styler. Okay, so we need both or just one?
I just
throw in everything, so why not? Okay, I need to buy these. Okay, I just finished getting my hair done. Vlogging and driving can be dangerous. Okay, honestly, like, finding a good hairdresser that understands your hair is key. So my hairdresser, her name is Ashley. She works at a salon called Mockingbird Heights. It's in Petaluma, like Sonoma County area, if you are from the Bay Area. I'm gonna leave her Instagram here on the screen right now, and I'll also leave it in the description box down below, because she's seriously like my hair guru. And what I love about her is that she has really fine, thin hair. It's not as fine and thin as mine. She like thinks it is, but I'm like, no, like, your hair is awesome. My hair is like the worst. But so she like totally gets like my hair type, not to damage it too much. She always like, you know, I just like trust her with everything. Come to her and ask like for what I want, and then she'll say, you know, like, that's gonna be either really hard on your hair, like if you're willing to like sacrifice the damage, then that we can get you there, but like just lets me know like all of the consequences that could come from, you know, what I ask for. So she's really good at like communicating. First of all, such a sweet person, and she's not only a beautiful person inside and out, but she also is like really talented with hair. And like every single time I have her do my hair, she does exactly what I'm looking for without me even like knowing it. So like I'll show her pictures and like ask for certain things, and then she just nails it like every single time. She's so good. So you need to go to her if you are local. So I'll leave all her information down below. You can just DM her on Instagram. She responds quickly, and or you can call the salon Mockingbird Heights to make an appointment with her. So she's great and highly recommend. 10 out of 10 recommend. Love my hair. And oh shoot, I forgot to buy products. Damn it, I was gonna buy some of the products she used. Well, you know what, I'm gonna link the products down below that she used on me, because they were all Oribe products and they were freaking amazing, you guys. And I meant to buy them, but I was like kind of in a rush, so I think I just forgot. I might see her again in a few weeks, maybe to get extensions. Huh. Favorite thing was this like matte wave spray that she sprayed in my roots. I don't know if you saw in the clip, but it was like this powdery, like it looked like a little cloud when she sprayed it, but it's basically like a back combing, like in a bottle, or like that's what she called it, or like kind of a gritty texture powder for your roots. But like some of the ones from the drugstore feel really gritty and like almost greasy because they add like too much weight. But this one is really weightless, which I think is really important, because especially if you have fine and thin hair, like your hair can get greasy real quick. So this is feeling really lightweight, but giving me like a lot of like texture and body like up here at the roots, which is muy importante. So yeah, I'm like so happy. I'm obsessed. It's perfect. And my sister's getting married in 2 weeks. I wanted to get my color like touched up and freshened up for the wedding, but I'm just so happy with it, and I really, really like it. So anyways, check her out. I'll leave her info down below. Just to summarize like kind of what I asked for when I was there, so that you guys really know, because it's kind of hard. There were a lot of people like blow drying and stuff in there. I basically asked her to do baby lights up at my roots just a little bit. I wanted my root color to still be there, and also brighten up the bottom a little bit. But I didn't want to like leave the bleach on that long, so I was like, if we can like not she recommended that we don't lift it like at all and like literally just leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes, and it would end up being warm, and then we toned it like a little bit because I didn't want it too cool or ashy. So that's also better because then you have to leave the bleach on as long, because my hair just can't handle it. So she literally like applied the highlights, walked away for like 2 minutes, and then we took them right out. So it wasn't on for very long, which is really good. And we did, you know, some nice conditioner, and she said my hair was looking like really healthy. So that's good. That means I'm hopefully taking care of it. You guys know I try not to put a lot of heat on my hair unless it's like worth it. And also she used this really cool technique where she like back combed, so the color didn't have any harsh lines. So like everything, it looks really like I was just like in the sun naturally, and like this is my hair color. If you have any questions on what she used on me for color or anything, one, you could leave me a comment down below, or you can DM her on Instagram, which all her information's down there. So anyways, I'm home now. We're headed to the movies. We're gonna go pick up my sister and see Hostile, I guess. Kind of like a Native American movie. Shocker. If you've been watching Vlogmas, you know we love Native American stuff. But I wanted to give you guys a little close-up of my hair color in the sunlight. So I'm gonna have Hunter do a little panoramic view. Hostels. So we just got home from the movie, and it was muy bueno. Yeah, we saw this movie. It was, oh god, how would you sum it up? You're better at this stuff, articulating like a summary of something.
I would say it was a very surprising film because it was more drama driven. I mean, there was a lot of action and a lot of like gruesome violence, but at the same time there's a lot of drama, so that was very surprising to me. It was like a beautiful Western film, shot beautifully, and yeah, it was very traditional. What about you?
I liked what was the dude?
Oh, Christian Bale.
Christian Bale was the main character, and yeah, he did really good. He killed it. And yeah, it was I mean, if you watch my Vlogmas, you know we kind of have like a Native American obsession. So anything.
Hunter was loving it.
Hunter was like, this is the best movie I've ever seen. Like, I love it. He's like turning to me in the movies. But yeah, we thought it was really nice. There was a little bit of romance involved, so I mean barely, but kind of liked it. So definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. You should see it. It'll make you think about American history, which is nice.
Absolutely. I'm glad finally someone made a like engaging and compelling movie about that, because it's something like we don't really think about in a serious way. So
totally,
really important.
Makes me want to learn more. I'll probably end the vlog here before we go to dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link anything that I chatted about earlier in the description box down below. You can always reference that area for links of what I'm wearing and products I talk about and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and coming to the salon with me. I tried to capture as much footage as I could, but if you have any remaining questions about what I asked for or what I got done, please leave it in the comments down below. I respond to every single comment, and I love reading your guys' comments and what you have to say. So I'll definitely answer your questions if I can, or if not, I left my hairstylist information in the description box below, and you can always send her a DM. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in a couple of days in my next video. Bye!